Okay, we're going to go across now to Kolkata. Some more news which is coming in, and this has got to do with the Enforcement Directorate versus Mamata Banerjee government. Now, what we are learning is that the Enforcement Directorate has sent has moved the Supreme Court in the I-PAC case. The ED has filed Article 32 petition before the top court. The ED has detailed down the entire episode of showdown in its plea. The Enforcement Directorate has stated in his plea that the right of the agency to conduct a fair investigation has been curtailed by the state machinery. The ED has sought a CBI investigation into the matter. So this is, I'm going to be joined shortly by my colleague, Komalika. In fact, Komalika is now joining me from Kolkata. Komalika, there obviously is going to be no closure anytime soon in ED versus the Mamata government.
Yes, and it is rather going very deep, that much I can tell you, because as we know that yesterday there was a drama in the court itself. There were too many people in the courtroom for which the judge had to leave the bench, and after that the ED went to the Chief Justice, but then again it was told that 14th January is where the case that has been filed by the TMC as well as the ED, that will have the hearing. Now what happens thereafter is that ED goes to Supreme Court, because this is something which they believe that this is Mamata Banerjee by entering into and storming into such a raid is absolutely uncalled for, and they are this is absolutely intervention of a raid. So that is where on that point they have gone to the Supreme Court. On the other hand, before the ED went to the Supreme Court, knowing this, sensing this, the West Bengal government has also they have approached the Supreme Court. They have filed a caveat in the Supreme Court. So definitely now it is a war as far as the legalities is concerned, and we know that as ED has approached Supreme Court mentioning how their entire their investigation and raids were intervened. On the other hand, what we are coming to know that there are two cases, there are almost 3 cases in Bengal. One is filed by the Kolkata police, which is a suo motu case against the ED. One is filed by Mamata Banerjee, none other than the Mamata Banerjee, against ED. Another case is also filed against unknown person by Mamata Banerjee. So what we are coming to know in this case also, the Kolkata police went and interacted with Pratik Jain's residents, maids and other people, and then they have also taken the CCTV footages that who were the ED officers and who were the CRPF people who were present with the ED officers, because in this complaint it is clearly written that the CRPF tried to overpower the Kolkata police. So this is absolutely the central agency versus the state agency once again, and Mamata Banerjee clearly versus ED. She's trying to take a head-on the ED. On the other hand, the BJP is also trying to take a head-on with Mamata Banerjee on this issue, and that's why tomorrow Shubhendu Adhikari is going to march on the same route and same road where Mamata Banerjee marched on Friday.
Yes, Komalika, and Prime Minister is going to be visiting Malda soon, and elections to Bengal are going to be announced soon, and this is going to be another flashpoint between the BJP and the TMC. Many, many thanks, Komalika, for getting us those details. We go into a break now, but news continues over here on CNN News 18.